Hey there, urban farmers and banana enthusiasts. Welcome to Soil Books, where we dive into the coolest ways to grow food in the most unexpected places. Today, we're tackling a topic that's as exciting as it is delicious. Can soil health make or break your rooftop hybrid banana farm? Believe it or not, you can grow bananas right on your rooftop. But here's the catch. Soil health plays a huge role in your success. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a thriving rooftop hybrid banana farm, and why soil is your secret ingredient. Let's get started. Before we jump in, I've got a quick question for you. What's the biggest challenge you think you'd face growing bananas on a rooftop? Is it space, sunlight, or soil quality? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Now let's break it down. Growing bananas on a rooftop isn't just possible, it's incredibly rewarding. But to succeed, you need to focus on one critical factor: soil health. Here's why it matters and how to get it right. So why is soil health crucial for rooftop banana farming? Nutrient supply. Bananas are heavy feeders. They need nutrient-rich soil to thrive. Water retention. Healthy soil retains moisture, meaning less frequent watering. Root support. Well-aerated soil helps banana plants develop deep, strong roots. Disease prevention. Healthy soil with beneficial microbes can suppress diseases. Sustainability. Good soil ensures long-term productivity and cuts down on the need for chemicals. Alright, let's get to the nuts and bolts. Or should I say, bananas. Here's how to create your own rooftop hybrid banana farm in 5 simple steps. Choose the right banana variety. Go for hybrid dwarf varieties like Dwarf Cavendish or Grand Name. They're compact and produce fruit faster, perfect for rooftops. Prepare the soil. Mix 60% garden soil, 30% compost, and 10% sand for drainage. Boost fertility with organic matter like cow manure or vermicompost. Select the right containers. Use large, sturdy containers or grow bags with drainage holes. Bananas need space for their roots to spread. Ensure proper sunlight and watering. Bananas need at least 6-8 hours of sunlight daily. Water them regularly, but avoid waterlogging. Maintain soil health. Add compost or organic fertilizers every 2-3 months. Mulch around the plants to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Now, let's talk maintenance. To keep your rooftop banana farm thriving, follow these soil health tips. Test your soil. Check pH and nutrient levels regularly. Bananas prefer slightly acidic soil, pH 5.5, 6.5. Add compost. Replenish nutrients by adding compost or organic matter every few months. Use mulch. Mulch with dried leaves or straw to retain moisture and regulate soil temperature. Rotate crops. If you're growing other plants, rotate them to prevent nutrient depletion. Avoid chemicals. Use organic fertilizers and pest control methods to keep the soil ecosystem healthy. Okay, quick question time. How long does it take for rooftop bananas to bear fruit? Most hybrid varieties start producing fruit in 9-12 months if conditions are right. Patience is key. So, would you try growing bananas on your rooftop? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found these rooftop banana farming tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let's turn rooftops into green, productive spaces. Also, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our future videos. Until next time, stay curious, keep growing, and remember, healthy soil is the foundation of every successful farm, even on a rooftop. See you soon.